lead, and he's taking the lead, and he's guiding the devotees of Mayapur in Sankirtan preaching Lord Chaitanya's message. So thank you very much, Maharaj, for being here. So I hand over this to Nitai Chaitanya Prabhu for before that Maharaj can address all the participants, bless them, and at the end of this and end of the Maharaj class, Nitai Chaitanya Prabhu can go ahead with certification ceremony. Hare Krishna.
Can I start?
Yes, Maharaj.
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Charini Nirvishes Sunyavadi Paschadeshtarini. So I am very grateful to Mayapur Youth Department to inviting me to join our Bhagavad Gita certification program. So I also thankful to all the participants, those who completed Bhagavad Gita. That Bhagavad Gita is a valuable gift by Lord Sri Krishna, gave to human being, human society. But we are not giving so much importance. Once Prabhupada went for preaching to UK. As soon as he landed airport, some reporter came to meet Prabhupada. Reporter asked to Prabhupada, what for you came to UK? Then Prabhupada replied, Prabhupada said, you people ruled India, and you are stolen everything from India, money and wealth, but you people are full, you do not know what is the valuable things in India. That is culture of Bhagavad Gita. And I want to come here to distribute freely Gita's knowledge to everyone in your country. So that is the Bhagavad Gita. Lord Sri Krishna spoken to Arjuna, by Arjuna to us. In Bhagavad Gita, there is 18 chapters. So you people, all the participants, you completed all the chapters. But Bhagavad Gita, Lord Sri Krishna gave instruction by Arjuna very systematically. Just like first chapter, it is called Observing and the Armies. So what knowledge we received from chapter 1? Chapter 1 is the knowledge is that you have to prepare yourself how to receive Gita knowledge. That is the preparation, preparing field, ground level. Just like Arjuna, Lord Sri Krishna said, Arjuna, I brought your chariot, middle portion. After the parties, you can see all the armies. That means when we go to take religion or going to participate in Bhakti Yoga, all the relatives members, they opposing. That is the situation. We have to fight with them. We have to fight with them. All the relatives, they will oppose you. You have to overcome all the situation. Then you can receive the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Then second chapter, Arjuna surrendered to Lord Krishna, take initiation. And then Krishna started giving the knowledge. Asocana anusocastam pragyavadam sabhasati. Then first knowledge is that Lord says, we are not this body. The second chapter called Gita summarized, content of Gita summarized. The second chapter is 72 verses. And also 18th chapter also very long, 78 verses. Because second chapter is the summary of Bhagavad Gita. Just like when we see the natural message or material message through radio or television, that message comes in the beginning, they will speak, I am going to what message we are giving, this is the headline of message. Just like Bhagavad Gita second chapter is a knowledge of headline. What knowledge going to give Bhagavan? The first is Bhakti Jog, Sankha Jog, and Gyan Jog. The three content, three headline is here in Bhagavad Gita second chapter. Then third chapter is called Karma Yoga. As soon as Lord expressed, we are not this body, we are soul. What is the soul duty? It is called third chapter, Karma Yoga. Soul's duty is to serve super soul, Paramatma. That is called verse 9, Jagyarthat karmananatra lokayam karma bandhana. Jagyarthat karma means we have to serve Lord. Because we are the part and parcel of God. Our duty is to serve God. Third chapter. Then in third chapter, there is a 43 verses. Lord gave what is our karma, then what is our obstacle of karma yoga. That is called kama, lusty. Lust is our great enemy. There is in two enemy approach the Lord in Bhagavad Gita. Indicated two enemies. One is lust, another enemy, you can get it chapter 6. It is called mind. Mind also our enemy. So then fourth chapter, the systematically Lord giving. The fourth chapter is called Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga, transcendental knowledge. Whatever we will do karma, we have to do with Jnana. Without Jnana, if you do anything, it is just wasting time. You have to think what I have to do, what I have not to do. That is called Karma, Jnana Yoga, chapter 4. Then chapter 5th is a Karma Sannyas Yoga. It is called Karma Yoga, action in Krishna consciousness. If you receive the Bhagavad Gita knowledge, you can get a peace, Shanti. Just like end of the chapter, 5th chapter, there is the verse. There is called Bhaktaram Jagata Tapasam Sarva Loka Maheswaram Suhidam Sarva Bhutanam Gyatya Mam Santi Mrichati. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to the ultimate beneficiary to all sacrifice and austerities. Lord says, I am the well-wisher all of you. Lord says, I am the friend, I am a well-wisher. If you know that, then you can get peace. Santim Ritsati. Santim means peace, Santim Ritsati. A relief from the material pains. Santim Ritsati. Then chapter 6 is the Dhyana Yoga. You have to control your mind by Ashtanga Yoga, then you can get full peace. That first six chapter, it is called Karma Satak. Satak means 6. It is completely karma, knowledge of karma. Then we will enter from 7th chapter to 12th chapter. It is called Bhakti Satak. It is completely explain what is bhakti, how to do bhakti, and what is the result of bhakti. Then last 6th chapter, it is called Jnana Satak. Again, some special knowledge Lord gave to Arjuna. So this is the Bhagavad Gita whole chapter. Then end of the instruction, Lord says, Sarva dharman paritejo mam ekam saranang vaja aham tang sarva papebhyo mokshaisai mas. So whatever knowledge I gave to you, O Arjuna, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, the best thing is Bhakti Yoga, and essence of Bhakti Yoga is just worship me, surrender unto me. This is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. He brought three things: Bhaja Krishna, Bala Krishna, Kara Krishna Sikha. Lord comes every millennium to deliver us, every yugas. Just like Satyajuga Lord came as a Badrinath, he appeared at the northern part of India. Then Lord came in Treta Yuga, he is a Ramnath. He was Ramnath, Ram Bhagavan. And then Dapar Yuga, Lord came as a Dwarkanath, the western part of India. Then in Kali Yuga, Lord came as a 3 forms. One is Jagannath, is a deity form. And second avatar is Nama, holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then another form is that in Kali Yuga avatar, it is called Shastra, Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam Shastra is a non-different from Lord Krishna. Krishna Sadame Padagate Dharma Gyan Adivisa Kalo Nasta Disamesa Purana Arka Adhuna Udita. As soon as Lord disappeared, end of the Dapar Yuga, and then Lord appeared as a Bhagavatam. So Prabhupada gave us 3 books, Gita, Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Charitamrita. So 3 books are connected. Just like Bhagavad Gita first verse, Dharma Khetre Kuru Khetre Samaveta Jujutsapa. If you want to do Dharma, you want to do prescribe your duty, Dharma, religiosity. The Dharma, you have to go through Bhagavad Gita, you have to read Bhagavad Gita, you have to study Bhagavad Gita. It is called Dharma Khetre. Whoever want to know Dharma, you have to go to Dharma Khetre Bhagavad Gita. That is started Dharma Khetre. Then end of the lesson, end of the Bhagavad Gita, what is the real Dharma? Surrender unto me. It is the real Dharma. That is Bhagavad Gita's knowledge is that Krishna is the Bhagavan. We have to know that Krishna is Bhagavan only. Not demigod is Bhagavan, not Baba is Bhagavan, only Krishna is Bhagavan. That is called Sarva Dharman Pariteja, 1866. Then Bhagavad Gita end. Then started Bhagavatam. What is the first verse of Bhagavatam? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. That is the admission test verse. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. You have to read Bhagavatam, but you have to pass the test examination. What is the admission test? Now, you have to accept only Krishna is Bhagavan, then you have your right to read Bhagavatam. And then Bhagavatam, whole Bhagavatam is there, 18,000 verses. Gita only 700 verses. Whole Bhagavatam, what teaching us? Bhagavatam teaching us, Krishna is Bhagavan, Gita says, but
introduction Dedi.
Krishna is 3 phases. Dwaraka Krishna, Mathura Krishna and Braja Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna. Which Krishna is Rasa Srishta? More Rasa is Vrindavan Krishna. This is the explanation of whole Bhagavatam. In the end of the verse Bhagavatam, it is said that the Nama Sankirtanam Jasa Sarva Papa Pranasanam. Sutta Goswami says, O Rishi, Saunagadi Rishi, the whole Bhagavatam taught us Brajanandan Krishna is the greatest, and how to worship that? Only chant Harinam. Then Chaitanya Charitamrita started with Harinam. Bande Guru Nisa Bhakta Nisa. That is the connection, the 3 Shastras. So I am requesting all the participants, all the organizers, you should organize and participants should start Bhagavatam. That is your second grade. First grade you completed, you have to go through Bhagavatam. So, and 2 things we have to do, start reading Bhagavatam and start to preach Bhagavad Gita others. Whatever you have received the knowledge, Lord says, that is your duty. Jaidam paramang gujyam mad bhakti sovidhasati bhakting moim param kitta maam vaisata sangsaya. Nacha tasmad manusyesu kwaschit me priyakatva. Those who preach Bhagavad Gita, that devotees dear to me. So I have to stop here. So thank you, all the participants, all the organizers. I hope that Lord Krishna, Srila Prabhupada, happy with you. Lord Krishna will bless you. And I think those who receive the knowledge, they also blessed and they also blissful life. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very much, Maharaj. So I hand over to Nita Chandani Mahaprabhu for proceeding for the online certification ceremony. So Nita Chandani Mahaprabhu, please take over the mic.
So Tithanga Prabhu, can I leave?
Maharaj, just you can start some certifications with your divine hand, and then it will be a great blessing to all of us. Please.
I can start.
So
I am going to follow your order.
No, Maharaj. So this is really our greatest blessing that Maharaj conferred upon us. Of course, his greatest mercy, and he is going to confer certificates upon all of us. So it is told in the Shastras that if we have got the darshan of pure Vaishnavas, then your life is successful. So whether our Bhagavad Gita course was successful or not, but we can understand now that by getting the association of Bhakti Vijay Bhagavat Maharaj, this course is successful, and all of our meeting is also successful. So now I quickly going to share this PPT in which we have your certificates. So we have some more devotees out here. So don't get to feel like morose that some of you get missed out. So you can always contact us if some of your certificates, if it doesn't appears, and still you can contact. We shall consider. So now I would like to request His Holiness Bhakti Vijay Bhagavat Swami Maharaj to confer this certificate. The first certificate goes to Amutha Valli Narayanan.
Hariva. Thank you. He's here.
So if Amutha Valli Narayanan is here, then please raise your hand. Please raise your hand so that you can unmute and you can get blessings from Maharaj by saying Hare Krishna. Yes.
Hare Krishna. Thank
Hare
you
Krishna.
very much. It is such a great gift for receiving this.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Prabhu.
So much. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Next.
I pray for you, Lord Sri Krishna. Bless you, Maharaj. Hariva.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Next we have Kavyashri Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol. If Kavyashri Mataji is there, can you please unmute yourself and Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much for the organizers and everyone, and thank you for the blessings. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So thank you so much, Kavyashri Mataji. We had got blessing of Maharajji as well as Srila Prabhupada. Now we have Kunal Praful Chandra Mehta. Completed 18-day Bhagavad Gita course with first grade. If you are there, Hare Krishna. Kunal Praful Chandra Mehta ji.
No problem.
Okay. Thank you. So all of yours, these certificates are going to get delivered to your mail. Then kindly proceed ahead to give your mail ID to Samasundar Prabhu. Now let's go ahead. So, yeah. We have Mehta Jayashri Paresh Kumar Mataji. Yes, Mehta Jayashri Paresh Kumar is there. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So, thank you so much for
Thank you,
attending
Prabhu,
this.
for supporting and changing our lives.
Hare Krishna. So, I request if Maharaj has left, then I request His Grace Tirthang Nitai Prabhu, could you please confer your kind blessings upon the participants? That will be a great favor. Hare Krishna. If Tirthang Nitai Prabhu is there.
Haribo.
Haribol. So thank you so much, Prabhuji, for kindly bestowing your causes mercy upon us. Now let's go ahead to the next. We have Dipti Ranjan Bedbak. Haribol. Hare Krishna. If Dipti Ranjan Bedbak is there out here, then please raise your hand and kindly speak. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Really grateful for the beautiful knowledge that has been given to us.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Diptiranjan Bedbak. So, all of yours, the certificates are going to get delivered to you. Okay, now we have Dr. Roji Shankar Mataji. Hare Krishna. Yes, Roji Shankar Mataji, if you are there.
I'm very grateful for this great knowledge that you have bestowed upon me.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Hare
Prabhuji, if
Krishna.
you kindly speak something to confirm this. Hare Krishna.
Radha Madhav.
Hare Krishna.
Jai, Jai.
Prabhupada's mercy on them.
Yes, Jai, Jai Shri Radha Madhav ki Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Now we have B. Vijay Kumar. Hare Krishna. So this certificate goes to you, B. Vijay Kumar. Hare Krishna.
I feel so blessed to have classes from you and Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada blessings to B. Vijay Kumar.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you.
We have Arindam Karmakar. Arindam Karmakar. There could be some little spelling mistake out here, but still, yeah, this is Arindam Karmakar Prabhu. If you are
Hare
there,
Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. So, if you like
I
to
am
speak
very
something
much
or just
grateful.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Prabhu. I am very much grateful to ISKCON Youth Forum for giving me this wonderful opportunity to get the teachings from the lovely Prabhus of Bhagavad Gita. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Arindam Kumar. Jai. Now, sorry. We have, okay, Dr. Vaishankar Mataji done. Shovraj Mukherjee Prabhu, Haribol. Is there Shovraj Mukherjee Prabhu out here? Hare Krishna. Dandvat Pranam Prabhu. Yes, please tell. Yes. Hare Krishna. If you had something to speak because you were not. Okay.
Always it helped me so much even during the day. Now I'm very glad to being connected with you all. The association with ISKCON for.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shovraj Prabhu. Yeah. So now we have next, okay, Suguna Ganesh. Yes. Hare Krishna. So Suguna Ganesh Prabhuji is there, then can you, Mataji is there, then can you kindly unmute yourself if you like to speak something? You can, yes. Hare Krishna. Okay, I think Sugna Ganesh Mataji is not there. So, at anyway, the certificates will be going to you. Vinesh Naikar Prabhu, Haribol. Yes, if Vinesh Naikar Prabhu is there, you kindly unmute yourself.
Hare
if you
Krishna.
could, Hare Krishna. Yes.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of the course. It is really being transforming for myself, and I really look forward to practicing all the teachings that is being bestowed upon me. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. Yes, Prabhu. Jai. Haribol. Okay, so this is all. So some of the devotees who missed out, they can contact with Soma Sundar Prabhu, and also I'd like to request all of you that as this has been order from Srila Bhakti Vijay Bhagavat Swami Maharaj, that all of us should get into, we should participate in Srimad Bhagavatam course, which is going to start from 26th of June from Snan Yatra Day. So, so some of you would have okay, Meeta Chandwani Mataji is telling that I have not received my certificate. Somehow got it stuck. So I request Soma Sundar Prabhu, can you speak upon this so that they get assurance that they get the certificates? Yes. Okay.
Yes. Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
Yeah, those who are qualified for this course, their certificates has been prepared and they are with me. You do not worry, you all are going to receive your certificates.
So we have Malhari Borade Prabhu, G. Sneha Kumari Mataji, and Mrs. Meeta Chandwani Mataji also didn't get. So I request Samsundar Prabhu, kindly please proceed ahead and so that they could get their certificates. Shubham Kashyap and Prabhuji and Parashnath, Parashnath also. Okay, so this was. Yes.
Please speak something about the next course, the concepts of Bhagavatam, so that devotees can have some information about Bhagavatam.
Yes. So
then you can conclude.
Okay, so Milton Das Prabhu is also telling. So okay, so as it has been already given to you all, what is called the introduction of Srimad Bhagavatam from Bhakti Vijay Bhagavat Swami Maharaj, that every Shastra is connected with each other. We know that how Purana Vedas are pointing out to be clarified to Upanishads. Upanishads are clarified through Puranas, and all the Upanishads gets clarified into Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and Srimad Bhagavad Gita gets elaborated more and more taste and rasha with Srimad Bhagavatam. So, as Srila Prabhupada always used to say that Bhagavad Gita is preliminary study of Adhyatma or spiritual life, and Srimad Bhagavatam is postgraduate study. Srimad Bhagavatam is a postgraduate study. So, I request all of you to join in the Srimad Bhagavatam course. That would also be proceeding ahead weekly. There will be weekly sessions. So, all of you could join into this Srimad Bhagavatam Rashmi course, and you can really get enlivened, getting mercy of Srila Sukadeva Goswami along with all the acharyas, Gaudiya Vaishnava acharyas, into this Srimad Bhagavatam Rashmi course. So, yes, so Somasundar Prabhu would be giving you all the informations. If you are interested, can we register for that? And there is no course, of course, for that, and that will be a very wonderful experience. Remaining connected with Srimad Bhagavatam, as Bhakti Vijay Bhagavat Swami Maharaj has told us, Srimad Bhagavatam is nothing but Krishna himself in the book form. In Kali Yuga, there are three gods: God Jagannath Swami in Jagannath Puri, then we have Srimad Bhagavatam and Hare Krishna Mahamantra. These are the three features, three forms of Supreme Personality of Godhead always staying in this Kali Yuga. Harinam, all of you are chanting. Jagannath Swami is there in Odisha, is there in Nilachal Dham. You can go and have darshan after lockdown. And now we have Srimad Bhagavatam, all of you. So there is a special facility from our forum that you could write to us. If you want your own Bhagavatam set, you could also get that. A hard copy of Bhagavatam set, you can get that. Please write down to Somasundar Prabhu, and Prabhu will make sure that you get Srimad Bhagavatam set at your doorstep. Okay? So that will be a very wonderful experience. You get the whole Supreme Godhead Krishna directly in your house. Such a wonderful experience, right? So, and also a systematic study of Srimad Bhagavatam will also proceed. And do not forget that to connect more and more people around you with the Srimad Bhagavad Gita courses that always going ahead. Okay, so thank you so much all of you for being the part of this certification ceremony. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you so much. So Somasundar Prabhuji. Okay. Yes. So yes, please take care of the Bhagavatam sets, as many devotees they want to have their Bhagavatam sets copy. Okay.
Yes, so many devotees are interest towards this. So I will provide to get Srimad Bhagavatam and to join the course session. Thank you very much for joining the certificate session. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Gaur Premanande. Hare